Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you guys. Hope that you all are well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also very good by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know what guys, actually I'm still not sure in which topic I'm gonna making this video, but I just want to share with you guys my daily activities, actually how I pass my whole day. So yeah, today I woke up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Then I freshened up and went to my brother's room. Then we spent half an hour and I just came back to my room. And again I went to my brother's room and watched TV together, and we listened to broadcast video because I have watched so many videos on YouTube that if I want to improve my listening skill, I have to watch so many videos on English. That's why I always try to maintain this. I always try to listen to podcast or talk show in English so that I can easily improve my listening skill. So yeah, I want to share with you one thing that guys, last night I thought many things that I shouldn't waste my time. I should concentrate on my study. I should focus on my study. But in the morning I just forgotten everything and I can't concentrate on my studies and I can't wake up in the morning. Also I thought that in this morning I will wake up 5 o'clock and I sat for study, also say prayer. But in the meantime I just forgotten everything, and I have watched a video last night that how can I prepare myself for my IELTS examination, and I think I should to maintain this routine, because if I maintain this routine definitely I will be able to set for my IELTS examination after a month. So yeah, right now I'm just walking in the balcony and making this video guys, and I'm facing so many sound pollution. I think you also listened so much noise in my video. So I think I should go to my room right now because I couldn't make an eye contact on the video because of sunlight, and there are also noise. So before going, let me show you one thing guys. Give me a second please. Look at this. Here is an aloe vera tree, and here is another one in our balcony. And here is also an aloe vera tree, and I know that aloe vera is very good for our health. So that is the outside view of my building where I am living. So guys, that was the actual thing I wanted to show you, that here is aloe vera tree and which is very good for our health. So I think I should go to my room right now. So I can't stay here because of sunlight, and I couldn't make an eye contact to this video because of sunlight, so I just come to my room. So guys, right now I'm in the room because I couldn't make an eye contact on the video when I was in the balcony because of sunlight, so that's why I just came to my room. So right now I'm sitting in the chair, and here is my study table. Here are so many books available. You can see here is my IELTS book, and here is my academic book. And I have decorated my table according to my taste. Also here is a clock which helped me very much for maintain my time. And guys, you can see there is a list of my routine that I maintained in the past time when I was in inter. But right now I didn't follow any routine. I just spending my time by gossiping with each other and spending time with my family member. And here is my sister and my nephew just doing fun. They're just spending their time. So guys, that is it for my today's video. Hope that you like this video. If you like, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also share with your friends. And guys, please pardon me because I have done lots of mistakes in this video, but we know that practice makes man perfect. I also believe that if I practice like this well, definitely I will be able to speak English very fluently. So don't focus on my mistakes, please pardon me, and keep supporting me so that I can speak English correctly, I can speak English fluently. So till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye.